Hello people, this is Colin from Cam Decorations, Orbital Sanders. Are they worth buying one? I personally think they do. I've got this one, it's a Stanley fatmax. Got a 18 volt battery, it's 1.3 amps. The reason why I bought this one, let me just take off the battery so you can see. The reason why I bought this one because I have this Stanley fatmax range, I've got a load of batteries. So I thought, you know what? For a unit that's like 50 quid, bare unit, 50 quid is worth buying one. But I personally think these are actually worth your while. Anything that's going to make your life easier, it's worth buying. I mean, I'm not being funny in that. Why break yourself, break your balls, doing something where you can do the work for you, i.e., for instance, a spray machine. So I will look at anything out there that I think that's going to give me the edge or make my life easier in that. And I personally think these boys are well worth it. They work by a hook and loop system, quite easy, simple. Just attach it, try and roughly get over the holes in that because of the dust extraction. So little dust extractor picks up all the dust. It actually does work. It does pick up quite a bit of dust, which I was kind of surprised by. And I bought these off eBay for 25 pence each, and they last for about a house and a half. Now, mainly, I use it to rub down the windowsills, your door frames, and your nil post and aprons. But look, I'll show you. I'll give it a whirl. See, there you go. I mean, I already scuffed these over. I've had these down with a block sander because I found it just a bit awkward because it was kicking. Because it's obviously round and that. Square one might have been better, but Stanley don't do a square one, so obviously I bought this round one. So I use my hand sander and just quickly go over it. But as you can see, it's effortless. You ain't breaking your balls on it. So if you're not breaking your balls in it, then why not do it? For instance, the apron here. Any area that you can't get into, obviously, you get your sander out and you rub it down, and your piece of sandpaper out and you rub it down. So for me personally, yeah, I do love this little gadget. There you go. I mean, it's easy, it's effortless. So as I said to you before, anything that's going to make your life easier or quicker, then it's worth getting. So